Welcome to the channel, guys. Today's problem is about dropping the duplicate rows, and I am going to solve this problem using Python. The given information is that there are some multiple duplicate rows in the data frame based on column. Here we need to write a solution to remove duplicate rows and keep only the first occurrence. They have provided one sample example as well. So the approach will be to use drop duplicate function, and we will pass email column inside that function within subset parameter. So let's try to execute code. Here we need to return whole data frame and apply drop duplicate function and use subset parameters and passed our email column to drop duplicate emails inside the email column. So let's try to execute the code. Let's check if our code passes all the test cases. Here we have successfully submitted our code. If you are satisfied with my approach, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.